Alright viewers, here's my 99 F-250 V-10 Super Duty with 268,788 miles on it. And I want to show you guys, here's my service record. Yesterday I replaced the number 10 coil. The number 10 plug blew out, so I had to tap it and thread the spark plug hole. I used a Timesert kit which I had from a previous repair that I had done on number 3 cylinder. Changed all the spark plugs, used the Bosch Platinum +2, and I changed my oil and filter, and I had to change my EGR pressure valve because my the little tit broke off on the valve. But let me show you here. Back in 2007, I believe. Nope. 2005. November 9th, 2005, I had 99,479 miles on it. When I replaced the plugs the last time, I used the Bosch Platinum plugs. So now I have 268,788 miles, and I'm going to show you these plugs. So stand by. Alright, here's the plugs that came out of the engine. This is the number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is the one that blew out. But you can see they're not in too bad a shape for having almost 170,000 miles on them. And these are the plugs from the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 cylinder. So I think I'm doing pretty good. 170,000 miles on these plugs, not too bad. And this is what I use, the Bosch 4304 Platinum +2. Very happy. Satisfaction guaranteed, absolutely. So hope you guys enjoyed this video to show that these plugs will last quite a long time if you take care of your truck. Well, she's purring like a kitten, running smooth, no lift or tap, sounds good. Maybe I can get another 100,000 miles out of this baby. Anyway, I'm done. Just change the oil, filter. Thanks for watching, guys.